Hello guys, and welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload your Android Studio project to GitHub. So the first thing you need to do is download the Git from the internet. So just type Git download on Google and then open up their official website. Download the version for your OS as well. The file is around 45 megabits size, so let's wait a few seconds until the download is finished, and then after that we're going to start the installation, and I'm going to show you how to upload GitHub your project on GitHub using Android Studio. So okay, the download should be finished by now. Alright, so let's open up the file and start the installation. Alright, so just click next, choose your destination directory. You can select this option to get the icon on your desktop. So, and every those options leave as default. Here just go next. Okay, and choosing the default editor used by Git. You can choose whatever editor you want, but in my case I'll choose Notepad++ because I have that editor installed on my PC. So I'll select that. You can select Sublime Text, Nano, Vim, or any else. Okay, Notepad++ is new for Git, so this option should be leave as default. Yeah, so just click next. SSH executable should be the same. OpenSSL library. Okay, next, and leave that as default. Next. Okay, leave this as default as well. You don't need to change anything. Leave those as well. Just click next. So many options here to choose from, but don't worry. Don't select this, just click install and wait until it's finished. So basically what we need to do now, when the installation is done, we need to go on in our settings in Android Studio and import our Git executable file. So you're gonna see how it's done. Just a second. Okay, this installation should be finished by now, so let's close it and open Android Studio. So now go to File and click Settings. Okay, and next click Version Control here and select Git. So here you have a path to Git executable. So just you need to choose the path. In my case it's C partition, program files, Git, and inside the bin folder we have a git.exe file. So after that just click text and test, and it will be a successful message. Okay, now that we have imported our Git to Android Studio, now let's select VCS from the menu here, or a version control system. So now import into version control and click create a Git repository. Select this, and as you can see our files like main activity and activity main layout XML got a red color, but don't worry, we're going to change that because we haven't added our directories. So here select application directory, go to Git and click add. And now that we have added our files, our main activity and activity XML got a green color. So now go to import into version control and down below click share on Git repository. So choose your repository name, remote, you can change this as well, and description as well. Let's say this is my first project. You can set to private or public. Okay, I forgot to remove this space, blank space, so Now it's good to go. Click share, and you will be prompted this window to select or deselect the files you want or don't want to share on GitHub. In my case, I want to share everything, so everything will be selected, and you can change this commit message as well. And after that, just click add and wait a little bit until your project is uploaded. And now we can check our project on my GitHub repository. So when I click repository, I will get here a new project, and as you can see, it says that it's uploaded now, so maybe a few seconds ago, and I have each and every file I selected here, so everything is ready. It's pretty simple. It's really important to share your good projects on GitHub, to share with the rest of open source community. And thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you find it helpful, of course, and see you in the next video.